Hello children, I Vandana Srivastava today going to teach you kinds of adjectives or types of adjectives. In previous video I have explained adjective. Now I am going to explain kinds of adjectives. There are 7 kinds of adjectives. Adjective of quality, adjective of quantity, adjectives of number, demonstrative adjective, possessive adjective, distributive adjective and interrogative adjective. Let's start the first one, adjective of quality. An adjective that describes the quality of a noun is called an adjective of quality. Means adjective that describes the quality of a noun is known as the adjective of quality. Like cacti have spiny leaves. Which type of leaves? Then spiny. Then spiny is an adjective. Adjective of quality. She cooked me a tasty lunch. Which type of lunch? It's a tasty, we can say delicious also. Then tasty is an adjective. He is a lawyer with lots of famous clients. Which type of clients? Famous clients. Then famous is an adjective. She is a beautiful lady. Which type of lady? Beautiful. Then beautiful is an adjective. Adjective of quality. Student, these words describe the quality of the noun. Then it is known as adjectives of quality. Means adjective that describe the quality of a noun is known as adjective of quality. Adjectives of quantity. An adjective that shows the amount of a noun or pronoun is called an adjective of quantity. Means which tell the amount of a noun or pronoun is known as adjective of quantity. Student, remember that adjective of quantity does not tell the exact quantity of a noun or pronoun. It does not tell the exact quantity of noun. Like would you like some sugar in your coffee? How much sugar? Some. Then it describes the sugar and it telling the quantity of the sugar. How much sugar? Then some sugar. Many people attended the ceremony. How many people have attended the ceremony? Many people. Then many is an adjective of quantity. It tells the quantity of the people and people is a noun. Take a little rest before you start. How much rest? Little rest. And it tells us about the noun. Then it's a adjective of quantity. I have enough money to help you. How much money? Enough money. And it tells us about the money, that how much money we have, enough money. Then it's tell us the adjective of it tells us about the money and it's adjective of quantity. Then those adjectives which tell the amount and quantity of a noun or pronoun is known as the adjective of quantity, but it does not tell the exact quantity or amount. Next one is adjectives of number. An adjective that shows how many people or things are being referred to or tell us their order in a series is called an adjective of number. The student, adjective of number tell us the how many people or things are being referred and it tell us the order in a series. Then this is known as adjective of number. Like today is the first day of April. First is telling the order of the day. Okay, then it's the adjective of number. Open the 6th chapter of the book. 6 is telling the order of the chapter and it's the adjective of number. 7 days make a week. It's telling how many days make a week. Then 7 days. It tells us the number here and it's a adjective of number. He ate 3 burgers. How many burgers? 3 burgers. Okay, and it tells us about the burger and 7 are tell us about the days. They tell us about the noun and they tell the number of the noun. Then it is known as adjective of number. Student, there's adjective of quantity and adjectives are number. They are same, but remember that what the different adjective of number tell us the exact number. Okay, like 1, 2, 3, 4, 7, 100, 1000. Okay, and it tell us the position of the number like first, second, third. But adjective of quantity tell us the amount. It does not tell the number, it tells us the amount. This is the difference between the adjective of quantity and adjective of number. Next one is the demonstrative adjectives. Demonstrative adjective. An adjective that helps to point at people or things is called demonstrative adjective. Means that adjective is point out people or thing is called the demonstrative adjective. This, that, these and those are the demonstrative adjectives. This and that is used for the singular noun, and these and those are used for the plural noun. This is used for the things that are near to the speaker. This is used the things that are near to the speaker. That is used the things that are far to the speaker. But the things are singular. Remember that this and that used for the singular. These are the things that are near to the speaker, but the things should be plural, okay? Because these is used with the plurals. Those are used with the things. Those are the things that are far to the speaker, and it should be plural in number. Why? Because those are used with plural, and it should be far to the speaker. Okay, then this, that, these and those are the demonstrative adjectives, and they point at the people or thing. We can say they are point out the people and things. Students, there's a demonstrative pronouns are also here. And what the difference between the demonstrative pronoun and demonstrative adjective? Demonstrative adjectives are always followed by noun. Remember this, demonstrative adjectives are always followed by noun. You can see here this bag. Bag is a noun, and this is followed by noun. That building. Building is a noun. Then that is followed by noun. These girls. Girls are followed by. Sorry. These. This is followed by girls. It's a noun. Those towers. Those are followed by towers. Towers is noun. Okay. This is the difference between the demonstrative pronoun and demonstrative adjective. If I will say this car is very fast. This car is very fast. Then after this there is used car, and it's followed by noun. Then it's a demonstrative adjective. If I will say this is a fast car, then this is a fast car. After this there is not used noun. It means it's a demonstrative pronoun. That is the difference between the demonstrative adjective and demonstrative pronoun. Please remember it, student. Possessive adjectives. An adjective that helps to identify possession is called a possessive adjective. Means the words that tell the possession and ownership, then it's known as the possessive adjectives. Like, have you met their pet? Then whose pet? Their pet. It's telling us here the possession and ownership, then it's a possessive adjective. This is my room. Then whose room? My room. It's showing the possession is. That is his bicycle. Whose bicycle? His bicycle. Here is also showing ownership and possession. This is our garden. Then whose garden? Our garden. Then my, his, our, their, your, all these words are possessive adjective. But student, there is a possessive pronoun is also here. And what is the difference between the possessive pronoun? The same difference is which is in demonstrative adjective. Demonstrative adjectives are followed by noun, as you can see here. After there is a given noun. After my means after the possessive adjective there is given noun. Here also after is there is given noun. After possessive adjective there is given noun. Means the same rules is followed by in possessive adjective also, which is used in demonstrative adjective. Means after possessive adjective means possessive adjectives are followed by noun. After possessive adjective there should be always noun. And what is the possessive pronoun? Possessive pronoun does not followed by noun. After possessive pronoun there should be not noun. Like this pen is mine. Then mine is a possessive pronoun, but it is not followed by noun. This house is hers. Then this house is his. Then his and hers. They do not followed by noun. Distributive adjectives. An adjective that expresses the distributive state of noun is called distributive adjective. Or we can say they show that things are taken separately. Students, there are 4 distributive adjectives: each, every, either and neither. These are the distributive adjectives. Either is used means either has the meaning of either means either has 2 meanings. It means a choice between the two. Means there's a 2 meaning of either. If it means a choice between the two, or the means it means the both. Okay, and neither meaning it is negative of either. It means neither one nor the other. Means either is negative of the neither is negative of the either, and it means neither one nor the other. Each means, students, it means one of the two or more. It means one of the two or more. And every means it is used for the number exceeding 2. Every means it is used for the number exceeding 2. Then these are the meaning of this distributive adjective. Like each school sent 2 participants for the inter-school debate. Every student had adopted a pet. Either road will lead you to my house. Neither house is big enough. These are the distributive adjectives. Last one is interrogative adjectives. As you know by seeing the name, an adjective that helps to ask question is called interrogative adjective. Means those adjectives which are used to asking question are known as the interrogative adjective. Like, what song are you listening to? Which book do you want to read? Whose house is this? Students, the same rule we have to found that there's a interrogative pronoun is also there. Then how we come to know that it's an interrogative adjective or interrogative pronoun? Then interrogative adjectives are always followed by nouns. Interrogative adjectives are always followed by noun. Like, what song are you listening to? After what? Which word is given? Song, and it's a noun. Which book do you want to read? Then after which book is given, it's a noun. Whose house is this? And after whose what is given? House, and it's a noun. Then there's a 3 adjectives, students, like demonstrative adjective, possessive adjective, and interrogative adjective. There's a 3 pronoun also, like demonstrative pronoun, possessive pronoun, and interrogative pronoun. There's only that difference between that adjectives are followed by noun. Means these adjectives like demonstrative adjective, possessive adjective, and interrogative adjective, these adjectives are always followed by noun. Okay, and in pronoun they will not followed by noun. I hope, students, you have understood that there are 7 kinds of adjective: adjective of quality, adjective of quantity, adjectives of number, demonstrative adjective, possessive adjectives, and distributive adjective, and last one interrogative adjectives. I hope till here you have understood. Thank you.